Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cook With Me. So today I'm out with a very easy and a very delicious recipe video. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make some chocolate brownies, which are my favorite dessert up till now. So yeah, let's get started with the recipe video then. So to make our chocolate brownie, so we're gonna need first of all some melted butter, like what I need, like 2 teaspoons of melted butter, then 2 teaspoons of the cocoa powder. So I'm using the Cadbury cocoa powder over here. Then like 1 tablespoon then 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, then 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, then 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar. Then we're gonna need some 2 cups of milk over here. So I'm making this chocolate brownie recipe without any maida. So today I'm gonna use some like the whole wheat flour, which is also known as the gehu ka atta. So yeah, let's get started now. So guys, the first step is that first in a mixing bowl, so then I have taken some like 2 cups of the whole wheat flour, which is known as the gehu ka atta. So then what I have to do, so here I have the melted butter, you can see. Just put the melted butter onto the whole wheat flour. So now you guys can see that I put the butter in the in the whole wheat flour. So now I have to take a balloon whisk over here, then just mix it nicely. So guys, the next step is that we are gonna add our cocoa powder, which is like the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then we are gonna add our baking powder and the baking soda, the mix. So actually I mixed the baking powder and the baking soda. Then we're gonna add our powdered sugar. Just add the powdered sugar like that. Then yeah, we have to just mix it gently, the dry ingredients separately in a mix. So my best part is the mixing part, because I'm very good at mixing. So let's just mix it now. So guys, after mixing for some time, we have to gradually add the milk onto the batter. Gradually we have to add the milk one by one in the batter, and make sure that our batter has no lumps in it. Now I'm adding the last whole milk onto the batter. So guys, I'll meet you after I've done this step. So guys, after some time, when you have done mixing a little bit, not whole, so what you have to do, you have to take the vanilla essence and then just pour it in a spoon, like 1 tablespoon, then add it. So now we have just added the vanilla essence. We have to now mix it again. So now you can see our mixing is being done. So if you want, you can also put some nuts, or like cashew nuts or peanuts you want. So yeah, I will meet you guys in the next step. So guys, I actually forget to tell you something, that you can put the cocoa powder also, but if you can smell the rough smell of the gehu ka atta, you can add some like the coffee powder. So I'm adding some coffee powder, not just add like 1 tablespoon, but not add like very much coffee powder. Don't add much coffee powder onto it. So here I have taken some 1 tablespoons of coffee powder also. Then so I'm adding, so because I less like just I love chocolate so much, so I'm adding some chocolate fudge topping. So if you love more chocolate, you can put more chocolate, but I'm gonna add it. It's not pouring over now. Guys, now I'm gonna add the the chocolate fudge topping in our batter to make it like more chocolatey if you can. Whoa, that's a big boy. So now you can see we are. So now you can see that I have poured the chocolate fudge topping onto my batter. So now what I have to do, so I have to just mix it again so that the raw smell of the gehu ka atta is gone. And you can see that the color is also changing because of the coffee powder and the chocolate fudge topping. And now you can also smell, but you cannot smell because are inside the screens. So this is totally optional. So I'm adding some chocolate chips over here. It's totally optional. If you are not having chocolate chips, you cannot put chocolate chips also. So you can see I have put the chocolate chips onto my batter like this, and now I will mix it again. This is my first ever try of making a chocolate brownie with the gehu ka atta, because I don't know like how to bake some cake with gehu ka atta. So this is my very first try. Hope it goes correct. So now the smell of the raw of gehu ka atta is totally gone. And now what we have to do, we will transfer it to the cake tin and let's go with the baking process. So guys, now you can see that I have bought my cake tin. So it's a circular cake tin. So if you're having the square ones cake tin, it's totally perfect because the brownie cannot come in the shapes. So now what you have to do, you have to take a cake tin like this, and then I'm gonna just grease it with some butter so that the cakes comes out very easily when the baking is completed. So all the baking instructions on the OTG or a convection, so the OTG and convection instruction are displayed on my screen, you can see. So now guys, you can see that I have greased my cake tin very nicely with butter. So now I have to put my batter onto the cake tin. Looking very delicious. Make sure nothing is left onto the batter. Now just hold it like this and spread it nicely. So now I am not using a whisk because it's not coming outside very easily. I'm gonna use a tablespoon because of that. So if you want to add more chocolate chips, you can add in the top of the cake. So it can be a good design actually if you can. I'm not adding that because I have totally finished my chocolate chips now. So now guys, you can see that I have placed my batter onto our cake tin very nicely, and now we'll go to bake this cake. So now guys, you can see that the cake is all baked, and I'll check it through the fork. So you can see that there's nothing over there. So our cake is all baked. Now we have to like just cool it out for like 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, now you can see that our chocolate brownie has came up very nicely. So it does not like floated out because it's a brownie. So now what you have to do, so I'm doing on the decoration purpose right now. So I'll show you the decoration. You have to take a knife like this, then you have to cut your brownie into like pieces, like only 4 pieces if you want, or you can divide it on your needs or the people's need also, like this. So I have divided the brownie into like 1 2 3 4 parts. So now the decoration purpose is that, so you have to take some forks like this and just put it round in the in the middle of that center of it. And what you have to do, you have to take one by one all of these and put this into one of the sides of the cake, like the way I'm doing. So now what you have to do, you have to take a strainer, which is also known as the chutney, and you have to put some cocoa powder. I'm using the Cadbury brand cocoa powder over here. So sieve it like nicely, the decoration. The decoration comes up very nicely. The decoration is all complete now. So now let us just remove the forks. So guys, now you can see that the decoration has come up very nicely well upon the sides, you can see. So yeah, this was my recipe. So I hope you liked my first ever chocolate brownie recipe video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, then hit that bell icon for daily notification. We'll meet you guys in the next recipe video. Till then, bye, stay tuned.